Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your PNC Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your PNC Mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in PNC Mortgage Login and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Simply click on the first link displayed on the screen. You will end up on the official page of PNC Mortgage account. Tap on Sign On option at the top right corner of the page. On the next page, enter your user ID and password associated with your PNC Mortgage account and tap on Login. Tick mark on the box that says Remember User ID if you want your user ID to be remembered next time you log in. In case if you don't remember your ID or password, click on Forgot ID and Password option. This is how you can log into your PNC Mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.